Decomposing body of man with gunshot wounds found at his home in St. Anne. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The St. Anne police are probing the murder of a man whose decomposing body was found inside his house with what appears to be multiple gunshot wounds. He has been identified as 54-year-old handyman Robert Anthony Llewellyn of Wharf Road in St. Anne. It is reported that at around 4:35 p.m. on Saturday, the police were called to the area. A team responded and went to the man's house where his decomposing body was found face down on a bed. The scene was processed and the body removed to the morgue. No motive had yet been established by the St. Anne police for this latest homicide. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.